The advantages of flat conveyors and pushrod conveyors are that when the flat conveyor is conveying vehicles forward, the tires do not rotate and are stationary relative to the conveyor. There will be no extrusion and friction with the conveyor. The conveyor flat plate is designed with mud discharge holes to reduce the wear of the flat plate connection to a large extent. Multiple rollers are evenly arranged under the conveyor flat plate to avoid wear caused by friction between the conveyor flat plate and each roller due to attached mud and sand. It can extend its service life. Traditional conveyors require regular chain maintenance, while flat conveyors are flat plate maintenance. No maintenance required.